Hey guys, it's Park with Getting Started with Park. Today we're going to tie the figure 8 knot. It's a fun knot that makes a great loop. We use it for making dog leashes, use it for a lot of other things that we make loops for, and use it in rock climbing. Don't rock climb anymore, but there was a time I did. Okay, so if you can imagine, this would be an overhand knot. Okay. See if I can show it a little better. Overhand knot. Alright, now imagine that we're tying an overhand knot, but we really want to tie a figure 8 knot, so we don't actually do that. We go one step further and boom, figure 8 knot. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, so I'm going to show you again. Give myself a little more rope to do it with. Just as if I was tying an overhand knot, but instead of going in there, I'm going to go in here. And now I have my figure 8 knot. Alright, one more time. Make my loop as if I was going to tie an overhand knot, but instead I go a little further and now flip it back in, and I have my figure 8 knot. And it looks so good, does it? Let's do it again. Very good. Very good. Now, the knot also goes another way. So now it's just a single loop. Instead of making a granny knot, I'm going to come back around and do that. Now that makes a good stopper knot. So if you've got something that's rolling along the rope and you want to stop it, that makes a good stopper knot. Okay, so let's do it again. I'm going to make a loop, and then instead of doing a granny knot, I'm going to go one step further and drop it in there. Makes sense? Now I have that figure 8. Now imagine that we're rock climbing. We would slide this underneath our harness, and then if we want to make our double knot to hold us when we're rock climbing, we follow with the end of it, we follow this line all the way back through the knot. So back that direction, and now the line goes this way, so shall we, and then it comes back this way, so shall we, then it comes back this way, and so shall we. Maybe we should call it the shall we knot instead of the figure 8 knot. I think it's a pretty knot too. So one of the nice things about it, when it gets a big load on it and it pulls down tight, it's easy to untie. So if you're rock climbing and you fall a little bit or you put a lot of pressure on it, you can push it together and it comes undone. So I think this might end up being the last knot in the installment. And we're going to start moving over into things that require me to do a little bit more editing. So if you have something or a knot that you want me to mess with, I'll be happy to do it. In the meantime, like and subscribe. I'm going to tie it one last time. Have a good day.